Welcome back to Basic General Knowledge Podcast. Today we're diving into some fascinating facts that might just blow your mind.
Hey Rachel, did you know that the oldest continuously inhabited city in the world is actually Jericho in Palestine?
Wow, really? That's incredible. How long has it been inhabited?
It's been continuously inhabited for over 11,000 years. Just imagine all the history those streets have seen.
That's truly mind-blowing. Speaking of ancient history, I've always been curious about who invented the concept of zero.
Oh, that's a great question. It was actually ancient India that gave us the concept of zero. Pretty amazing when you think about how fundamental it is to mathematics today.
And you know what's interesting? The first woman to ever reach the summit of Mount Everest was Junko Tabei from Japan. She did it in 1975.
That's so inspiring. And speaking of impressive achievements, Marie Curie was the first woman to win the Nobel Prize in physics.
Right. And not just that, she actually won 2 Nobel Prizes in different sciences. Pretty remarkable for her time.
You know what always fascinates me? Space exploration. The first artificial satellite was Sputnik 1, launched by the Soviet Union.
Yeah, that really kicked off the space race. And speaking of space, Mars is called the Red Planet because of all the iron oxide on its surface. Basically, it's rusty.
That's such a cool way to think about it. Did you know that the exosphere is actually the outermost layer of Earth's atmosphere?
No, I didn't. And here's another interesting fact. The largest organ in the human body isn't what most people think. It's actually the liver.
Oh wow, I always thought it was the skin. Here's a fun one. The word onomatopoeia refers to words that sound like what they describe, like buzz or meow.
That's exactly right. And here's something that might surprise people. The national animal of the United States is the majestic bald eagle.
Such a powerful symbol. You know what I love? How the Latin phrase Carpe Diem simply means seize the day.
That's such a beautiful reminder to make the most of every moment. Before we wrap up, did you know that metamorphosis is the process by which a caterpillar becomes a butterfly?
Nature is just incredible, isn't it? Please follow us for more interesting general knowledge in our next podcast episode.